In this video, I'll show you how to make your Apple Watch notifications vibrate. First of all, go to your iPhone and open the Watch app. From My Watch, tap on Notifications. In here, you will find all available apps. For example, I want to enable haptics or vibration for my message notifications. So here's some tapping on messages. Under alerts, here you will find haptic. Just turn on haptic. Now on, whenever you receive a new message on your Apple Watch, you get haptic or vibration on your Apple Watch. The same way, you can go ahead and open a different app and just enable haptic. And now go back to your My Watch homepage and here scroll down and this time tap on sounds and haptic, and here tap on haptics, and if you turn off your haptic, you must enable haptic on, and that's it.